Welcome to Xincheng Inflatables Ltd Corporation, a leading manufacturer of inflatable bounces, castles, sports games, obstacle courses, water slides, water toys, tents, paintball, arch, balloon, air dancer, photo booth, boats, mascot, cartoon characters, movie screen, holiday decorations, advertising products, and etc., which is established in 2006 as one of the largest inflatable manufacturers in China. Over 16 years experience in inflatables. We take great pride in our certifications, including CE, EN 14960, TUV, and more. These certifications demonstrate our unwavering commitment to quality and compliance. About material, all normal material we use are from Plato, which is also the best material in China for making inflatable toys. For inner baffles, we also use 1000D PVC, not nylon, that can ensure our products are more durable. And we also can order special material as clients' requirements. The material is special soft material for some European clients, which is easy for folding and shipping.
In the production process, Xincheng Inflatables integrates many advanced and skilled techniques. By using high-end automatic cutting machines, we can accurately cut and prepare the material for near-perfect assembly.
We use high-end automatic cutting machine imported from Germany, which can cut material exactly, smoothly, and fast. Even though that our products are famous internationally, but we are always using best material, top technology to making inflatable toys. Our ambition is to offer high-quality inflatable toys with more competitive price. For printing, we adopt digital painting with environmental protection, non-toxic. We will also add extra protection liquid covering on which is also imported from USA, so that the painting won't fade easily.
We use double stitching and quadruple stitching, and all of sewing workers are over 8 years experience in inflatables. They can sew in the games fast and beautiful.
For all sealed inflatables, hot air welded seams for high quality and durability, heavy-duty molded handles, stainless fittings, and convenient interlock straps. After products ready, we have professional inspector to check quality before packing. Before shipping, one of inspector will check all products again and avoid any mistake. We have our shipping agent. They have rich experience in shipping, and they will finish it well. Also, clients can choose their own shipping service. Please trust our professional team and provide best quality products for you.